How to redeem Door promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Door promo code and source for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead, select any of the website. With that, you will learn to this kind of page where you can find tons of offers. Now scroll down. Go ahead, select the offer that you are interested in. Click on the option of show coupon. So basically coupon code, you can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the promo code, whether it is valid or not. Once you copy it, click on this option of view discount at DoorDash. With that, you will be directed to the official website of DoorDash. Now at the top right, you will find the option of login. Go ahead and click on that option. If you haven't completed your account yet, you can sign up. If you do have your account, you can type in your credentials over your email address and password in the login to your account. Once you log in, browse through the menu and hit towards the item that you want to purchase. Add those items to the cart. Once you are done selecting the items and adding them to the cart, now you have to check out. While checking out, you will find the option of promo code. Over there, paste the promo code. Check all the details of the item and then check out. So this is how you can redeem Door promo code. By applying the same process, you are able to redeem any Door promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.